It's almost fall time. Kapit ng fall, then winter. Summer is almost over. Tingnawa. Grabe ka dry. Nami sprinklers dire, but not a siya timer or something like that. Yeah. Ani ka dry. Amo ng spring onions, or yeah, spring onions. During summertime, we try to plant kanang mga utanon or what, para at least actually gardening po ni Hay. But really, here in California, you need to water them most of the times, like mga morning and afternoon kay good luck. And then this is it. Morning kita nang sa kauban. So naami guys, naami I don't know, is it pears or piras, or I'm not sure. Kini, it's a lemon, I think, the one that I'm watering. This one I don't know, just dry kaayo, nani ka dry, nani ang summer here. Good luck sa mga diri o California, almost same alike whatever sa Pilipinas. Di nyo mamiss kaayo siguro ang Pilipinas, they would feel the same. Pero during winter time, tugnaw po. And here you go, naami apple tree. This is an apple tree. Hindi siya bubuan, pero bigay namunga siya. Where is it? Taan tong bunga. Saan yung bunga ni? I think somewhere right here. Burin siya Fuji or something like that. Hindi siya bubuan. Tambayo na mo diri ang tubig. Nani siya, yan ka dry. Oh yeah. Ini artificial. And but mubalik na ni siya. Fall or winter, I think. Winter di, fall. Balik na ng grass. And nasa may limoncito here. And this one's lemon. Wait. Lemon na siya. Small type. Smaller one. Yeah, ito. Butod sa nga variety. This one's limoncito, guys. Namuwak siya. And the apple tree. Right now it's already 8, almost 9. But look at, so bright. The sun still up. That's it. Watering the plants.